DIY bitter gourd juice recipes for diabetics. Due to lifestyle and other factors, surging numbers of people were diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a condition wherein your body has elevated blood sugar levels, which happens due to two things. In type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce insulin. In type 2 diabetes, the body does not respond well to insulin. Lack of exercise, unhealthy habits, age, and belonging to a certain ethnic background are some of the common factors contributing to type 2 diabetes. Your whole life changes once you are diagnosed with it. These are several lifestyle changes you have made for you to be able to reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart diseases, and blurred vision. Bitter gourd and cucumber juice. This simple and easy to make juice is slightly sweet and bitter in taste. Things you'll need: 2 large bitter gourds, 1 medium cucumber, 1/2 of a lemon, 1 green apple, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, optional. Procedures. Step 1. Wash the bitter gourds and peel off the skin. Step 2. Slit the bitter gourds vertically, and remove the rind and seeds using a spoon or knife. Roughly chop the bitter gourds into smaller pieces. Step 3. Soak the bitter gourd pieces in a bowl of water for 10 minutes. Optionally, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the water. Step 4. Peel a cucumber and cut it into pieces. Step 5. Cut the green apple into small pieces. Step 6. Put the bitter gourd, green apple, and cucumber in a juicer to extract the juice. Step 7. Add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Your diabetic-friendly bitter gourd and cucumber juice is ready. Drink it once daily on an empty stomach to help control your blood sugar level. Additional tips. You can keep the bitter gourd skin if it does not bother you, but make you rinse it thoroughly to remove all pesticide residue. Eat more whole grains as well as fresh fruits and vegetables. Avoid drinks that are rich in sugar, such as sodas, fruit punch, fruit drinks, energy drinks, sports drinks and sweet tea. Do not eat candy, pancakes, French fries, white bread, whole milk, bacon, cakes, pastries and pretzels. Also, avoid white rice, regular pasta, sugary breakfast cereal, and instant oatmeal. Limit your consumption of red meat and processed meat. Control your weight. Being overweight increases the risk of having diabetes and makes it more difficult to manage. Do not sit on the couch. Instead, start exercising. Even a simple brisk walk 30 minutes a day lessens the chance of developing diabetes and helps better manage the disease. Quit smoking, as it increases your chances of getting diabetes. If you drink, do it in moderation.